How to remove Face ID on any iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily remove Face ID on any iPhone. So be sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And without further ado, let's get started. So first, open your settings app, and once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. And now you will be asked to enter your passcode to proceed. And once you are in the Face ID and passcode section, simply scroll down and tap on Reset Face ID option. However, before you can turn it off, you need to disable the Stolen Device Protection option first. So to turn this off, you need to scroll down and find the Stolen Device Protection in your settings. And once you have found that, simply tap on it. And inside this section, you can see the option labeled Stolen Device Protection. So here you simply need to toggle off this option. But keep in mind that for some security reason, this change may be delayed for the 1 hour. Here you can see the countdown timer start, and after an hour you will receive a notification that you can now disable the Stolen Device Protection. And once the waiting time is over, you can go back to the Face ID and passcode, and now you can simply tap on Reset Face ID, and that's it. That's how you can remove a Face ID on any iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.